Hey guys, I'm Ashley Durham with the Auburn Opelika Lifestyle Group at Prestige Properties, and we're here to keep you in the know with all things real estate. Today I'm with Phil Underwood with 121 Disposals, and we are excited to have Phil here today because this is a local disposal company that we will probably be recommending to you when you're listing or buying a home. We realize that when you're listing a home and you're going to sell it, there's things that you need to clean out. What better time to clean out than when you're listing a home, right?
Right.
So we're excited that 121 Disposal is a new company to our area, and we want to hear a little bit about what you have to offer to residential homeowners. You're not just here for commercial or big construction projects. So what can our sellers learn from you today about the services you provide?
Sure. Again, like she said, we're the new local company in the area. One of the main things that we do is help people like Ashley with real estate companies when you're getting ready to list a house and you've got extra things you need to get rid of that you're not necessarily going to be moving to your new home. You can get one of our open top containers. We deliver it to your house, put all your things you need to get rid of in it, and then we'll haul it off for you. If you're remodeling and you're doing something through that too, it's a great time to use us.
That's a great point. I didn't even think about that. Another great thing to do is when you're helping a family member get ready to sell a house, or if you've inherited a home, there's things that you just have to get rid of that aren't going to sell in a yard sale. Any other opportunities you want to share?
A good tip is you can figure out about however many years you've been in your house. It's about a pickup truck load per year that you've been there. So that'll kind of give you an idea of what size you may need. Just contact us and we can help you with that.
Oh, that's great. Good to know. Yep. And when you talk about sizes, some people, when they picture a dumpster, they picture a huge dumpster like we have behind us. Right. But you have different sizes.
We do. Depending on what you've got, there are times we can use one of the smaller type containers, and there's ones that's smaller than the 20 yards. Mm-hmm. Again, it depends just on how much you're really needing to get rid of. And again, that's where we can be your specialty company and partner with you to help you find out exactly what you need.
Bringing in someone like 121 Disposal is a great opportunity, and we're excited to partner with you guys.
Yes, we're excited too.